Most traders are looking for capital gains. They need their stock to go up in order to make a profit. The problem is that involves picking the right stocks, getting in at the right time, and getting out at the right time, sometimes even waiting for months or years to see that profit. Now, most investors get to the point where they want stable, consistent income without being glued to the computer screen, and they want that income to roll in every month or even every week. Let me show you how it's done.
Now, some people think trading options can be confusing and risky, and they can be if you're using them to gamble and speculate. But the other ways to use options in your investing is to protect your portfolio and to generate income. Now, if you have some options trading experience, you're going to easily get this, but don't worry. If you've never traded options before, you're about to learn something new that could change the course of your life. Now, I've been trading alongside Preston James since 2009. He's the founder of Trader's Edge Network, and he's known as the guy who invented the money press method. And he's been teaching thousands of investors, just like you, this method where they can create weekly paychecks, even if they're starting with a smaller account, and generate some income from options trading. Now, the best part about this, we love to have a life away from trading. It can take as little as 30 to 60 minutes a week to manage this strategy, your money press trades, once you have your feet under you. And we don't want to stare at screens all day. We don't want to day trade. We don't have to stress about picking the next great stock. With the money press, we can trade blue chip stocks, stocks that are leaders that you know of, and we can sell a put option that expires 1 week out in time to generate a nice income. With the money press, we utilize put contracts. Now, there are two sides of every put contract that gets traded. There's a buyer and a seller. We love being the seller because as the seller, we get to generate income. Money is getting paid to us, and we have this tremendous advantage. The probability is on our side. We can make money if the stock goes sideways, up, or even slightly down as the seller of a put contract. Now, full transparency, we don't profit on every single trade. We look for stocks that are trending and have some bullish momentum, but that doesn't mean they're going to go up 10, 12 weeks in a row. Sometimes we have a losing week. That's part of the game. But as we dive into the math of this money press, you're going to see the incredible upside potential. Now, there's two big differences in our method. We use options to buy what we call sleep at night protection on every single trade. That means we control the risk. We can control the amount of exposure we have in every single trade. We literally cannot lose more on that trade than what we're building in protection-wise. So we have complete control of our risk. And after all, good risk management is the key to success. Now, the second difference is that because of the stocks we pick, we look for these stocks with certain edges that have this bullish momentum, and then we're selling these weekly puts week by week to generate an income. And so the probability of a losing trade can be greatly reduced as you learn to work the mechanics of this strategy. We can really put the odds on our side. So to wrap this up, this can work for you whether you're just beginning, you've never traded an option before, or you're an experienced investor and you just are tired of being glued to your computer. You're sick of those days of stress and frustration. It's as close to set it and forget it as it gets, and it's made us and a lot of our traders in our Trader's Edge network a life-changing amount of income each and every week.
Now, we don't have any big courses to sell you. This isn't going to cost you thousands of dollars. In fact, we'll give you this book for free. You just cover the shipping because we want you to check it out, see if it's for you, and then you can dive in and learn more from there. So click on the link around this video to secure your free copy right now.